B2B services.
New standards for quality, technological leadership, and operating excellence.
Where it really made a difference was that it had a very leveraged effect.
System overload.
The tech industry is in an age of messaging instead of story, and it's getting worse.
There's an ownership stake in an underlying network.
The headcount that you need to generate that cash flow, which is a sign of scalability, how big can you make it? Be considered a disruptor in your marketplace. I'm going to tell you about what this really means.
System overload.
Hi, I'm Amir Mizrach, a communications advisor and former tech editor at the Wall Street Journal. I speak to tech founders and put them through the Dejargonizer. Every time you say security posture, a butterfly dies. Painfully. The Dejargonizer is a zero jargon zone podcast. What is the data oracle? You'll be in the room as my guests and I work through their messaging and storytelling journey to reveal their company's real story and why it matters.
Every company needs a CISO. So the question is how we get there.
Helios is the BP, the Shell of the space age.
Well, right now, Helios is a startup with 27 workers.
You'll hear how my guests come out the other side of the Dejargonizer with a clear and compelling brand story.
It's difficult but simple, okay?
It's going to be painful, but we'll get through it, okay?
Let's go.